Out this pre-owned 2019 Ford F-150 XLT 4x4. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 130,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.